Yo, what's up, guys? It's me again, Alex. About to get the new subs, the Mopos, and I fixed up the box a little bit. Let me show you what I did. Yeah, how you like the 12 box? Nice, right? Anyway, these are the old subs, by the way. These are the old
shit. Now a nigga floating. That Luger German, that Kush burning. I'm Einstein on the ground, my wheels turning. I'm out in Cali, not in Hollywood, Silicon Valley. I'm about to get rich.
I sealed up the whole box again, brand new seal. So
I use ghetto grandma slang.
I got a new fan for the cooling in it. Keep the box in here, it's temperature controlled. New foam surround. 8 gauge wire. Right there. Cooling sinks on them, heat sinks on them, all of them. Brand new everything in there. Good looking now. I still got the old head unit. Well, I mean new, but last one you've seen in here. I mean, shoot. And it's still a flip screen. Got the lights on it. Yeah, I got the new stuff coming in now. My Christmas present myself. Well, just wanted to let you guys know some progress on it, but hey. Oh, the tools needed to do such stuff. Yep. And of course the hookah. But hey, gotta do what you gotta do, right? So the new stuff should be coming in. When I do get them in, I'll hook them up, make a video of that, and then I'll make a final video of basically testing them out in front of you guys. So cool. Catch y'all later. Alright, peace.